Well, morning peeps. I've just stocked my fridge up as it's Easter and you never know what's going to be open here for the next 4 or 5 days. Even a lot of bars will close, and even where I go drinking we ask staff what they were closed for Easter, and one said just Friday and Sunday. And then another one said, no, it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then another one said, we don't know, Paul, because we've not been told yet. So, who knows? So, a little bit of progress. Not on actual build, but I managed to get some bricks. So, I've chiselled out this, what were there before, if you remember, what used to stop my old barbecue. See, all tiles are here on the floor. So I've just been laying out how I'm sort of going to do it. So, and what I'm thinking now is I'm going to actually shorten this, because this gap here is not quite what I will need. Where are we? Oops, a daisy. Let me shift all that for this. You know, it's just it's going to be too close. So I don't know. I've sort of shifted my focus from this bit to getting this bit right, and then I can make that a little bit smaller if I need to. So we got delivery of bricks yesterday. Hopefully, I've got some angle iron I found around back of my shed, so we should be okay with that. I've just been down to the shop when I got my beer to get rebar, so I took my car down 4x4, put seats down, because they told us on the phone they won't deliver. So I thought I'm going to cut them in half to 3 metre and I'll get them in the car somehow. And I've just been there and they said, no, we'll deliver, sir, this afternoon. And I'm like, well, you're fucking joking. Yes, sir, we'll deliver it, it's free of charge. But you told us under 3,000 you won't deliver. Yeah, well, we will deliver. So I can't actually start now because I need rebar, because, let me just go back. What my plan is, oh, I'll tell you what, it's hot today. The plan on this first row of bricks, once I do lay these bricks, I'm going to have 10mm rebar sticking out, 3 on the back and 2 on this side. I know this is for cooking, but it'll rest on them, that's the plan. So I need to cast them into the concrete, you know, put a bit of a bend in them so they won't pull out. So I'm ready to start, but I need rebar. Now, they told me after lunch, which means 1 o'clock, but after lunch could be up to 5 o'clock. You know, it's just any time this afternoon. So I don't really want to start mixing cement and start laying them first course of bricks. And they don't turn up while 4 or 5 o'clock. So I got a bit of a result with bricks after a lot of bartering with different companies, and I've not brought them all around yet, but I can show them, yeah. See, this is garbage I've generated so far. Old barbecue. So there we are. So they're all are fire bricks. So we've got more than enough, because I have over ordered one just to be sure. I didn't want to run out and have 1 or 2 left. But I don't know if I mentioned it before. One of my plans is to build a pizza oven. Now, I had planned it for later this year, and it probably still will be later this year, because I'm sort of stuck in a way. I actually screwed up with my long-term planning. This aquaponics system, I should have put it over here, because my plan was to build the platform sort of on the end of this and have it here, and pizza oven there, and then just extend these tiles to walk on. So there's no chance of putting that there now. So I don't know. I mean, it's a big enough garden, we could put it somewhere else, you know, but it'd just be nice to have it here with the sink. And if I just build it on here, it's going to take up too much space to get to the barbecue, you know. So I don't know. It's something I need to think about. So a little bit pissed off with that. Anyway, it is what it is. I'll cross that bridge later this year, but at least now I know where to get fire bricks from, and good delivery, good cost. I think they were 15 peso each, So what's that, 30, yeah, 30 US cents. The 2" by 2" by 8, which is easy to manage. Obviously a little bit more motor required than using 4" wide ones, but you've got a little bit more to play with. And you can see, I mean, they're quite heavy as well, but they're not bad quality actually. But I tried to break one yesterday with the chisel. Where is it? I did break one, yes. Oh, here. I tried to break it in half. I mean, if you can see, if you can, I've got bolster here. Just put bolster there in the middle, tapped it, and it snapped there. So, what I've actually done, I just bought some more grinding wheels, and I'll just see if I can cut them, because they didn't have any ones for stone or brick, only metal. But I've got my actual tile cutter disc, so I might try that. Right guys, so that's about it. So hopefully today I am going to start this barbecue, and there should be some progress, I'm hoping, today. If those rebar don't come while late, I'll start tomorrow. Anyway guys, that's it. Have a good Easter if I don't get back on, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye.